Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your Tesla firmware includes car theater and that you have a stable Wi-Fi or hotspot. This prevents buffering and login errors. Once parked with the parking brake engaged, open the top apps launcher and choose Entertainment, then Car Theater. You need to select YouTube from the list. This initializes the app and loads your account options. Make sure your screen orientation and brightness are as you want. These first steps get you into the player quickly and reliably. You now sign into YouTube or cast content. Signing gives access to subscriptions and history, while casting from your phone bypasses login. Once in, search with natural phrases and pick a video. Make sure to choose the desired resolution to match your connection, because high resolution will buffer on weak hotspots. Use the scrub bar and speed controls to navigate longer videos, and connect audio to the car speakers or Bluetooth. This ensures both sound quality and safety, while the display handles visual. To finish, exit YouTube with the home button and confirm playback stops. This prevents background streaming. You can adjust energy saver and screen timeout so the display stays active for long videos. If playback becomes unstable, restart the center display to clear the app cache and network handoff. This often fixes freezes. If problems persist, cast directly from your phone as a fallback because it uses your phone's connection. And remember to verify Wi-Fi strength. Weak networks are the most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.